Hey Beauty Boss babes, I wanted to pop in really quick and give you this video unboxing and a little bit of customer service on like what I do to bring sparkle to my customers' lives when they reorder. So I have this amazing box from my friends over at Court of Achievers. I absolutely love everything they have to offer. They make me look really good. So they give me all the things that I need to look really put together, including these stickers right here. So anyways, this is the newest summer line, and I'm just gonna show you what is new and what I'm gonna be using. I haven't really gone through it yet, so here we go. Okay, so here's a nice letter that they gave me, and this little note that says, "Hi Portia, inside you'll find July through December 2021 date book planner, the new DIQ packet, micellar water postcards, micellar water scratch-offs with stickers, micellar water samples, and a peek at our newest sample sets, on-the-go samples, and charcoal mask samples." So I'm so excited. This is so stinking cute. So this is for my company specifically, but this is so cute for DIQs. And this is just your go-to everything you need to know DIQ packet, the tracking and the steps to get to directorship. Like, are you kidding? It's so cute. This is something that you can keep for a while. Do all your tracking, your DIQ goal sheet. So like you can track every little thing right there. I love it. And then of course, build your empire with all your girlfriends and tracking your personal work, because that is the most important work. And then of course there's more in that, but you got to get it to see it. Okay. Oh my gosh, the mailman's here. I love the mailman. Anywho, okay, so this is the micellar postcard. These are the little, here's a sample, enjoy it. Just a cute enjoy card and a bag. Micellar water little scratch offs. You put the stickers are right here. So cute. And then here's the charcoal mask sample, and then the micellar water sample. Oh, and here we go. Here we go. The date book. Okay, you guys. Right now, I'm using their 2020 to 2021 date book that looks like this, and we are in the month of May, and it looks like that. Look how cute these are. We're wrapping it up, and then I'm going to start the new month. But right here is the new one. Totally Boss Babe style. So it's just so cute. Here's July, August, September, October, November, and December. So cute. In the back, look at the back, so cute. Okay, so that is the summer products. And now I want to tell you, it is so important to brand yourself in your business so your customers can feel like they're getting an experience that is one of a kind. I want my peeps to feel like they're getting a one-of-a-kind experience. And so I have branded myself with my go-to saying, Sparkle. Sparkle to me is absolutely everything. You are the light of the world. You bring sparkle wherever you go. Literally, you like glitter, sparkles. When you walk into a room, like if you have glitter on you, like you can't get glitter off of you. So that's like my thing. Like glitter, I want to spread my sparkle, and it's really hard to get off because it's so positive and so lovely that you just don't want to lose the sparkle, right? So that's what I think about when I think about my brand. So I found these on Amazon and I could not get enough of them. So I use these every time I do a mailer, and I customized boxes that go along with that theme. and I have my brand, Sparkle, #Sparkle, and then my website. I have made my own website to customize, like that I've customized to just have like all the tools that I want for my, it's like a digital business card style thing, like where it just like, there's one page, everything that my customers need is right there. So that's my branding, and I pack these boxes with, let me show you, confetti and crinkle. That's what I put in my boxes, confetti and crinkle. So it's up to you what you want your brand to look like and what experience you want your customers to experience when they open your orders. And so whatever business you're in, just bring the branding, bring the like amazing tools that you absolutely need to make an impact on your people. So using cute stickers, using cute little things that you can put inside and say, thank you so much. I have tons of postcards, big thanks, just tons of stickers. And so Court of Achievers is my go-to. All the details are in the bottom. But I hope you enjoyed this. It's just like a little sneak peek in behind the scenes of my business and who I go to make me like look so good. So good. She makes me look so good. I love it. Thank you, Court of Achievers, for giving us the best, always keeping it fresh with the amazing designs. So hope you enjoyed this. Go rock your business.